Dear students, welcome to history class of standard 7th. Today we are going to write question answers of lesson number 8, an ideal ruler. Let's move on to the first question. Give one word for an important officer in the navy of the Swaraj. Answer is Daulat Khan, a Tamil poet who composed a poem on Shivaji Maharaj, Subramanyam Bharati. He created an independent kingdom in Bundelkhand, Chhatrasal. He composed a povada on the greatness of Shivaji Maharaj, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, who said that Maharaj did not belong to Maharashtra alone, he belonged to the whole Indian nation. Answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Blocked the advances of enemy on the way to Vishalgarh, Baji Prabhu Deshpande. Disguised himself as Shivaji Maharaj during the siege of Panhalgarh, Shiva Kashid. Next question. Complete the following diagrams. Shivaji Maharaj struggled against. Answer is Adil Shahi, the Mughals, the Siddhis, the Portuguese. Next one. Muslims in the army of Shivaji Maharaj. Daulat Khan, Siddhi Hilal, Siddhi Ibrahim. 4 qualities of Shivaji Maharaj that you liked. Religious tolerance, leadership, caring for Rayat and management. Question number 3. Find it from the chapter. Grave dangers in the life of Shivaji Maharaj. Events like the meeting with Afzal Khan, the siege of Panhalgarh, the attack of Shaiste Khan, the escape to Vishalgarh, conquering of Sinhgarh and the escape from Agra involved a great amount of risk to the life of Shivaji Maharaj. Next one. They risked their lives at the time of Maharaj's escape from Agra. Hiroji Farzand, Madari Mehtar risked their lives at the time of Maharaj's escape from Agra. Next question. What warning did Shivaji Maharaj issue to the Deshmukhs of the Rohida Valley? Shivaji Maharaj issued warning to the Deshmukh of Rohida Valley not to fail in his duty towards the Rayat. He was also asked to visit every village and shift people to a safe place down the ghats without any delay. Maharaj further warned him that if does not take care of the Rayat, then the Mughals would take the people as prisoners, then it would be seen as the Deshmukhs doing. What inspiration can future generations draw from the life of Shivaji Maharaj? The future generations can draw inspirations from the work of founding Swaraj and turning it into Surajya by Shivaji Maharaj as an ideal, which prevailing religious custom was defied by Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj defied the prevailing religious custom that tabooed the overseas travel by building Sindhudurga fort and raising a navy. Let's move on to next question. Write about it in your own words. First question. What warning did Shivaji Maharaj issue to his soldiers to avoid any loss to the Rayat? Shivaji Maharaj gave warning to his soldiers not to fail in duty to the Rayat. During the time of foreign invasion, to shift people to safe place down the ghats. The failure to take care of the Rayat and the event the enemy took the people as prisoners would be seen as their doing. He ordered soldiers not to cause any harm to the Rayat in any way. Next question. How do we know that the religious policy of Shivaji Maharaj was that of tolerance? The answer is the following things indicate that Shivaji Maharaj followed a tolerant religious policy. He continued the facilities that were given to Muslim places of worship in the territories conquered by him. He had strictly instructed the soldiers not to harm mosques. If they come in the possession of a copy of Holy Quran, they should hand over the same to a Muslim. He had loyal Muslims like Siddhi Ibrahim, Siddhi Hilal and Daulat Khan in service. Explain Shivaji Maharaj's policy regarding the army. Shivaji Maharaj maintained a strict discipline in his army. He had instructed his soldiers not to cause harm to the Rayat and the mosques. He paid salary in cash and on time to his soldiers. The army was ordered to deposit any valuables collected during the campaign in the enemy territory with the government. He honored the soldiers for their bravery and looked after their families who died in the battle. He treated the enemy soldiers who had either surrendered or were captured well. Let's move on to open-ended question. Estimate of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was a brave fighter who had struggled against powerful enemies and adverse circumstances to establish his independent and sovereign Swaraj. He had unparalleled organizational skills to inspire the brave people around him to work for Swaraj and be loyal to him. He cared for the welfare of his Rayat and ensured that no harm has caused to the Rayats either by the enemy or his own soldiers. He maintained strict discipline in the army and took care of soldiers very well. His religious policy was tolerant and considered the Muslims in the Swaraj as his own subjects. He is held in high esteem and regarded as a great national hero and a source of inspiration to the future generations. Dear students, here we have completed the question answers of lesson number 8.